Y'all, what's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video, and today we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day, and we are going to be doing exercises that I have been doing. When did I start? Last week? I know that's very new, but listen, I don't work out all the time. I'm so inconsistent with it, but I want to broaden the lower half of my body. I want my hips to be bigger, and I know that if I work out consistently, both in the gym and at home, using equipment or not, whether it be the resistance bands or not, even without the resistance bands, you can exercise, you can do exercises to feel the pain, and I will show you those today, okay? So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, y'all, this is the exercise here. Excuse my pooch. This junk hurts like heck, but you don't even need resistance bands. If you use resistance bands, then that will only really have you out here. Now, like I said, I started what? Last week? Pete, I don't have big hips. I'm gonna just go ahead and put that out there. Those of you who've been watching me, you know that. I'm a slim person, okay? But I honestly feel that if I keep doing this, then I can create a bit of a change. And I know it won't be drastic, but follow me. Work out with me. Okay? Leg up.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
25, 26, this is where it starts to feel hurt. 27, this is where it starts to hurt. 28, 29, 30, yikes. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40,
41, yikes, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
50. OMG. OMG. That junk hurts. Okay, other side. Look at my rolls. Don't worry about that. We're going to take care of that. We working on the hips right now. We'll get to the stomach. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yikes, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
well, under the count. Just wait a little bit, guys. What I said, 19? Okay, let's go.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
30. Yikes. That junk hurts. That junk hurts. Woo. 30. Shake it out. Tap it out. Rub it out. Whatever you gotta do, because that junk does hurt. Okay? 30. Woo. Alright, let's go.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37.
38, 39, 40. Whew. No. Baby. Whew. Okay.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48.
49, 50. Woo! Oh no. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. I'm done. Now, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I had bought a bunch of croissants and I ran through them. I ran through those croissants like nobody's business, okay? So I was gonna try to save even one to have with my breakfast here today. Fail. I ate all of them. They were so good. I love croissants. I'm not really big on like bread, but I know that it puts weight on you, so I force myself to eat bread. But croissants and like biscuits with gravy, I could eat them literally every day, all day. So yeah. But today, you guys already know that I love, for those of you who've been watching me, you know that I love eggs. And yes, I have them again today. Eggs. I put onions in here. I put spinach in here. I put hot sauce. I put a little bit of A1 steak sauce because I love sauces. And I love, yeah, I'm a saucy person. Too much sauce? Okay, let me stop. And I have my chicken apple sausage. I have 4 links, okay? And I have grits, like I said, minus the croissant, okay? My grits. I had a berry-packed smoothie, which I have finished, to be honest with you. So now I'm just drinking some water. And yeah, that is me. I am feeling much better, y'all. I'm feeling much better. I think that whatever residual foolishness was in my body was just like, okay, this is the last of it and it's done now. So yes, I started taking these Maca capsules again. I started again, and we gonna see. Somebody did reach out to me and said that it's not doing much for her, but yeah. Although I'm kind of feeling the same way, I'm gonna give it a good run before I tell y'all yay or nay. Okay, so that's what I'm eating, and that is my well, those are the main exercises that I've been trying to do to get my body situated, you feel me? So I just want to say that if you liked what you saw today, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. I will most definitely be back with more, and yeah, just stay tuned. I cannot wait to dig into this food. So, and I don't know if y'all want to see a mukbang. If y'all do, let me know, but I don't think y'all are ready for that right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just dig in, and I will be back with more, but I really do appreciate y'all. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll holla.